The LG air conditioner air code CH15 indicates a breakdown in communication between the fan motor and the control board. This issue can be caused by a faulty control board or loose connections. To resolve the problem, replacing the control board is a potential solution. This can be done by switching the unit off, opening the AC housing, and removing the air filter, coils, and fins. It's helpful to take pictures of the components and wiring for reference. The wiring should then be carefully unplugged from the faulty control board, and a new control board should be secured in place. The wiring can then be reconnected, using the earlier pictures as a reference. After reconnecting the wiring, the air filters, coils, and fins can be reinstalled, again using the pictures as a guide. Finally, the AC housing can be reinstalled, and the wiring should be checked for any loose connections. Physically inspecting the wiring harnesses and ensuring they are well secured in place is crucial. Any damaged wiring should be replaced. By following these steps, the issue should be resolved.